I'm here in Neath, in the wonderful Neath Tennis courts here on Dyfed Road. I'm here with Roger Williams, one of the directors of the club, and you've had some really good news, Roger.
Yeah, we discovered last night that Neath Tennis had been named a runner-up in the LTA Awards, the Lawn Tennis Association Awards. We'd won the Tennis Wales Award as the best community venue for 2021 a few weeks ago. So we went forward to the UK competition, and we were a runner-up. So we're absolutely delighted that we've been acknowledged for the work that we've done here in Neath.
Yes, and tell us a little bit about that work. You took over these courts in 2018, trying to make them a community resource. Tell us a little bit about that.
The courts had been locked a number of years ago and they weren't being used, and a group of local residents came together in 2018 to get the lease from the council for this site, and in a little under 3 years we've managed to raise money from bodies like Tennis Wales and Sports Wales to be able to resurface the courts here, to put new fencing up and reopen the site. And what that's meant really is that people have been able to use the courts again for as little as £5 an hour. We have a membership system which has got very good terms, which allows people, as an individual, to pay £60 a year and play as much as they want to. And also to have coaching here. So we have our own coaching programs which are all being run by LTA qualified coaches. The Urdd are here on a weekly basis doing coaching through the medium of Welsh. Local schools are coming here to use the facilities. So Ysgol Gymraeg Castell Neath are here on a daily basis at the moment, making sure that every single child at the school gets the experience of playing tennis. And it's just been fantastic to see the site reinvigorated and to see so much activity happening here.
It's such a wonderful community resource, isn't it? And it's such an amazing story, really, because usually we hear of things, there's not enough funding for things closing down, but you have come together as a community here and created such an amazing resource. And you've got an open day, I understand, now on Friday.
Yes, next Friday, the first Friday of Wimbledon, we are going to open the gates from between 4 and 7. And if people want to come down and talk to us about what's happening here, if they want to have a little knock on the tennis courts, or if they want to volunteer, they're welcome to come down, talk to us. We will be socially distanced and have all the COVID stuff in place to make sure that everybody is safe. But we're here on July the 2nd talking to people about what we're doing here, and people are more than welcome to come along.
Wonderful. Well, congratulations to all of you at the club, the amazing transformation that we see here, and for the work you're doing to get people into sport and get people together in the community, and on the recognition you've had for this wonderful project in Wales and in the UK with the Lawn Tennis Association. So good luck with all the plans for the future.
Thank you.